Welcome! I'm going to show you how to make a Photoshop droplet that flattens images and saves a copy of them as a TIFF. So first we want to open one of the images and then just go to the Actions panel. So if you don't see the Actions panel, it's under Window Actions. And then this little flyout menu on the right here of the Actions panel, we'll just click that and go down to New Action. And we can name that whatever we want. I'll just name it Flattened Save. And we'll hit Record. I'm going to go back to the Layers panel. And then I'm going to click this little plus sign at the bottom to create a new layer. And then I'm going to go to Edit, Fill, and then click on this drop down menu and click Color. We're going to fill that layer with 2% cyan, 2% magenta, 2% yellow, and 0% black. And click OK. Then we'll click OK on the Fill dialog. And then we'll just take and drag this layer behind the design. And we'll flatten the image. And then we'll go to File, Save As, and we'll change the format to TIFF and click Save. And then we're going to go back to our Actions panel, which is this little play symbol that says Actions when we hover over it. And we're going to go to File, Close, and close our image. And that got rid of our Actions panel, so we'll just bring that up. And then now we want to click on the little rectangle stop at the bottom of the Actions panel. And we've recorded our action. But we don't want to just run the action a bunch of times. We want to have a little droplet so we can just drop all the images right on there. So to do that, we're going to go to File, Automate, Create Droplet. And we're going to change that action into a droplet. So the first thing that we're going to do when we see this Create Droplet window is we're going to click Choose to choose where to save our droplet. And we'll just save it in this folder. You can name it whatever you want here. And then click Save. And for destination, we're going to choose Save and Close. And make sure this Override Actions Save As Commands is checked. And then we'll click OK. You can see here's our Photoshop droplet. So when we take our PNG images now and we drop them on this, it's going to open each one up in Photoshop, and then it's going to save it as a flattened TIFF. So now we have a bunch of copies as flattened TIFF in just a few seconds. And then we have our original PNG files with a transparent background. And that's all there is to creating a droplet in Photoshop. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you get updates to future videos. Thank you and have a great night.